What is going on, team? Welcome to my channel. If you're new, then welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. So if you watched my last video on my April update, I did mention I have £5,000 to invest, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna touch on in this video. But if you didn't watch my last video, then pretty much I've had a nice little rebate of 5 grand, and I'm going to show you how I invested it in this video. So keep watching to see what stocks I put my £5,000 into. But just to give you an update, this is the Dividend Tracker. It's different to my trading 2 and 2 portfolio. On here, I just have my my individual ones and not my pies. So I only track my individual stocks on the Dividend Tracker. I will go in more in depth on this, but pretty much the 5 grand, I was going to put all 5 grand into investments, but I thought I would basically tackle a couple of stuff first. So basically I just finished a house flip. So if you are a OG of the channel and you do follow me, I started off investing in property, and I just finished my first house flip. So I just renovated my first house, and it's currently on the market. So if you are interested in that, then subscribe, go check out that series. But then because it's on the market, the garden fence collapsed the last week or the week before. So basically I'm having a new fence put in. I would do it myself. I'm currently away, so I've got a gardener coming in to do that. So I basically put £1,000 towards that. The fence is about 600 quid, but basically I put £1,000 aside just to do that, pay for the fence, and then I also paid off my credit card with that. So basically my credit card is now zero. That's that paid off. I was also thinking of paying my car off, but I haven't got much left on that, so I just left it as it was, and then pretty much the rest is here. So if we jump over to my trading 212 account, if it decides to work, okay, it's not showing me, but pretty much in here, if this box opened up, it's not. Trading 212 is playing up, everybody. But yeah, pretty much I have 2,500 sat in my trading 212 account, and pretty much I want to put them in individual shares. So there we go. Finally. So yeah, I've got 2,500. I want to put them into individual shares, and not into a pie. So pretty much I want your feedback on how you would invest. So chuck them in the comments below in what shares or what stocks you would invest in if you had £2,500 to invest. So as you can see here, May is a low one. That's pretty much just reality income. June is a nice little payout. That's going to be at £50 soon. Yeah, as you can see there, just reality income. Why isn't this showing? If we go into this one, it should show me. So on the mobile app, when you go onto these into current holdings, it normally shows you, see if it does in this one, it normally shows you how much the company pays out pure per share, but it's not doing it here. So as you see here, these are the payouts that I've got due coming out. So you've got Bank of America, Coca-Cola, Ultra, Microsoft, Realty Income, Redwood Trust, and then the FTSE All World High Dividend Yield. So if you had £2,500, what company would you invest in and why? Put it in the comments below, and then let's invest in the next video.